Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to unhide chat in Fiverr. So let's get started. At first let's get into Fiverr app. So here it is. And I have already hidden a chat over here. You can go to search bar and simply search for the person or the user we want to unhide. So here it is. Now we need to enter the 4-digit PIN we have set already. Simply tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and click on chat info. And we can see this option called unhide this chat. Simply tap on this and enter the 4-digit PIN again. And we are done. If we get back, we can see this chat over here. So this is all we can do to unhide a chat in Fiverr. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.